Okay, so I started making a project and it was just like a spur of the moment idea. And this is where I'm at so far. It's actually going to be another Cubs wallet, but it's going to look different this time and look more like the hats. And this is going to be pretty awesome. So, yeah, I guess you're joining in now. I don't know if this will be a video or anything, but we're going. And I just got my front pockets on. They've been skived. Everything's been smoothed out, burnished, all that. All right, let's keep going. Now I gotta get these on there, like that. But I gotta add my little logo I made. And that's gonna go on there like that. So I gotta kind of figure that out. But man, it should be alright, I hope. I may have made this a tiny bit too big. But I don't feel like making another one, and I don't have enough white left anyways to do that. I could probably trim a little off, but no. I think I'm just gonna kind of incorporate the stitching into that, actually. Well, for a video that wasn't supposed to be a video, I don't know exactly what you're gonna get, but this is it. So I decided to make this, and it turned out way cooler than I actually originally planned. So, yeah, this is my Cubs wallet. Nice little minimalist wallet, and kind of goes with the whole look of that, obviously. So there it is, my Cubs wallet. A weird little build that wasn't meant to be a video, but now it is. There you go. See you next time.